Today I'm going to share with you how to crochet the chainless foundation rows. We're going to start by doing the chainless single crochet foundation row. I have a slip knot on my hook and I'll crochet 2 chains. I'll skip the first chain near the hook and insert the hook into the second stitch, making sure that I go under the bump of that chain. Yarn over and pull a loop. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and go through 1 loop only. So this will be the chain of the base. And then yarn over and go through the 2 loops. This will be the single crochet stitch. So basically what we're doing is we're doing the foundation chain and the single crochet row at the same time. Let's do it again. I'll insert my hook into the base stitch, which is the chain, and make sure we go under both sides of the V. Yarn over and pull a loop, 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through 1. That will be the foundation chain. And yarn over and go through the 2 loops. That will be the single crochet stitch. Let's do it one more time. Now let's see how many stitches that we have done. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do another one. And this is how we do the chainless foundation single crochet row. Now let's move to the chainless half double crochet foundation row. I'm going to start by doing a slip knot. And chain 3. We're going to skip 2 stitches and work into the 3rd stitch, but we yarn over before inserting the hook into that stitch. Again, make sure that you go under the bump of that stitch and then yarn over and pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and go through 1. So this is the base stitch. We still have 3 loops on the hook. And then yarn over and go through all 3 at once. This is the half double crochet part of it. So the base, which is the chain, and the 3 loops sitting on top of it is the half double crochet stitch. In the half double crochet method, the 2 stitches that we skipped at the beginning are considered the first stitch of the row. So here again, we're inserting the hook into the base, pulling a loop, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and then finish the half double crochet as usual. One more time, yarn over, insert the hook into the base. Always make sure that you go under both sides of the V. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through one, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. Let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, the chain 2 in the beginning are considered the first stitch. And at the base, we have a nice chain being formed as we work our stitch. Now moving to the chainless double crochet foundation row. Starting with a slip knot, I'm gonna crochet 4 chains. Skip 3 stitches and work into the 4th, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, working under the bump, yarn over and pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 1. That's the base stitch or the chain stitch, and then yarn over and go through 2 loops only, and then yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. The 3 skipped chains are considered the first stitch, and then this will be our second double crochet stitch. Again, we insert our hook into the base stitch, yarn over and pull a loop, yarn over and go through 1 loop, that's the base, and then we have 3 loops on the hook. We finish the double crochet as we usually do, so we yarn over and go through 2, and then yarn over and go through the last 2. Another stitch is made. Yarn over, insert the hook into the base, pull a loop, yarn over and go through 1, and then finish your double crochet stitch. So this method is helpful when you need to crochet a huge number of foundation chains at the beginning of a project. So you can start by working your first row together with your foundation chain at once, and at the end of that row you can add more stitches if you need, or unravel if you have extra stitches. That will be easily adjusted. So here we have 6 double crochet stitches, considering the first 3 chains as the first stitch. And if we look at the base of it, we will have a nice foundation chain formed. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.